Hey, grade 5. Today in science we are going to be talking about bacteria. Just letting him get a good shot of this picture. Bacteria and Archaea. These are basically smaller life forms that are still alive, basically, and they exist without backbone, so they'd be called what? What is it? Files? That's right, invertebrates. Very good. But they're going to go into a different domain. The domain is bacteria, and the kingdom is bacteria too. So they're not going to go with the animals. That's very important. Now, some of you are wondering, like, wait a minute, don't we have enough problems with bacteria, as it is now with the coronavirus? That would be a really good question, and I'm sure one of you asked that. But to be honest, the coronavirus is just that, a virus. Bacteria is not, okay? Most of you don't even realize you eat bacteria. You have bacteria in your stomachs and in your intestines. They actually are very helpful. There are some bacteria that aren't. That's true. But most of the time you eat yogurt and cheese, Fabin, I think it's called. You guys drink that, and that's bacteria. So there are good things and bad things about it. The domain of Archaea, in the kingdom of Archaea, these guys are single-celled organisms. They can actually survive anywhere. And they're also called extremophiles, which means that they're basically bad little guys. They can survive in brutal cold, or they can survive in extreme heat. They can live in acid. So these are organisms that have adapted to their harsh environments. We adapt, but we have a limit. They don't. So this is what makes them interesting. Now, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to fill this out today, okay? And I would like you to, if you have any questions, go on about it. Tomorrow we are actually going to do the sum up in the brain checks, or the next time we're going to do the sum up in the brain checks. I know some of you are going to do it now, and I don't blame you, but I got to be honest. Don't forget to constantly check in, though. That's very important. All right, thanks, guys. Appreciate it.